A 50-year-old Indian origin attorney and a former candidate for the US House of Representatives has been arrested in the US. He is arrested for allegedly defrauding an Indian-based company of more than $5 million. Department of Justice said that the man used client funds for personal expenses. The lawyer is named Abhijit Das, aka Beej. Reports said that he lives in North Andover. He was arrested last week after being indicted by a federal grand jury in Boston. He was booked on 10 counts of wire fraud for allegedly diverting funds from his clients' accounts to other accounts and using the funds for personal expenses. Reports said that the personal expenses included a yacht owned by one of his hotels as well as $2.7 million for his home in Florida. The Department of Justice said that Das was arrested in June 2021 for allegedly violating the Federal Election Campaign Act and false statements. According to the indictment, from around May 2020, Das began providing legal representation and escrow services to two twin brothers and their logistical supply company in India. The company was reportedly coordinating large shipments of personal protective equipment or PPE during the pandemic. Das diverted more than $5 million in escrow funds from his clients' accounts to other accounts. The indictment alleged that he used the funds for personal expenses, including expenses for his law firm. Das allegedly induced his clients to transfer funds to accounts he controlled. He reportedly manipulated them under the guise of legal advice about the risk of potential litigation and provided clients with fraudulent and forged account statements to conceal the scheme. The indictment against him further alleged that Das committed 9 of the 10 counts of wire fraud while on court-mandated pre-trial release conditions resulting from his June 2021 indictment. That earlier indictment charged him with campaign finance violations, embezzlement of campaign funds, and making materially false statements to the Federal Election Commission. The wire fraud charges each provide for a sentence of up to 20 years in prison, 3 years of supervised release, and a fine of $250,000 or twice the gross gain or loss, whichever is greater.